Well, I noticed I had to disconnect all these zip ties in order to release the front bezel and pull it forward a little bit. So I'm going to remove this top drive bay cover. In the back there is a small plastic clip that if you manipulate it you can pull it out, and this will make room for the 5 1/4 inch drive. Let's snap it back into place. There we go. It's a tight fit, but that just means it's going to stay in place better. There you can see the drive is mounted nicely flush. Let's attach this handle while we're at it. These packages, thank goodness, have printed on them exactly what they're for. So there's a bag called Screws for Handle. If not, I probably would have used these for another purpose. There we go. Now the case is going to get a lot heavier with components in it, but this handle should do the trick. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fan and remove it, placing this other fan in the front. I had another bag of oversized thumb screws specifically for attaching drives, so I reattached the CD-ROM drive with these large oversized thumb screws. That way it can be taken out easily without having to use any tools later on. Another thing I need to do real quick is I'm not going to use this lower drive cage regardless, and if I remove it there will be better airflow through the case. So let's do that real quick. In the package also came screws for the chassis, the motherboard, and I'm just going to attach those for now. They also come with a little screwdriver to a miniature socket. Well, there you have it. We have the motherboard mounting points attached. We have both of those white fans mounted on top, one of them that I took out of the front. I attached a new high volume, very powerful fan. I placed a CD-ROM drive, and I removed the slot covers since we won't be needing them anyway. So at this point, I'm just waiting on the next parts.